Hellcat.
Hey guys, what's up? Sexy Artist here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all are doing fine, all is well. Today I have a very interesting video for you guys. Today I'll be playing with a very good friend of mine. He's from Hope Clan. His current IGN is Debra, and his previous IGNs were Darubas, Hitman, Rana, Kachi Machi. I'm sure you guys must be knowing him. He's like a brother to me. As the title says, brother from another mother. And he's been so supportive right from the beginning. Love you, bro. And in opposite team, we face this guy Fruity. I'm sure you all must be knowing him. He was previously in Team Clan, and he was also banned for hacking. I think couple of times he was banned. And the other guy was from Team Clan. His name is Shylock. I call him Sharmila Tala. You all must be knowing about Team Clan. No introduction to be given. And guys, you all must be knowing that he's famous to leave the battles when they are about to lose. But in this battle, this match, he did not leave. I think maybe he was overconfident that they will win, but that was not the case. We won this game. And let me know guys in the comments box if you think that this guy Fruity is he still hacking, because during the game I was not able to make out if he was hacking, because I was concentrating on the game. My focus was fully on the game.
2-1.
Let's get started. Alright, we'll start from the right hand side, because this is the usually the sniper spot. People will come from here definitely. Oh my god, there's one guy. Oh, that was a wrong move, guys. Okay, no problem. Alright, so now let's take the high ground. Let me see if I can get any kill. There, I spot one guy. Bam, shot. Good. Alright, let's see if we can get some kills from here. Bam, headshot. That was a guy Fruity. Alright guys, let's see if we can get any more kills. No one here. Alright, let's go under this staircase. Bam, headshot, one headshot, another headshot. Damn, Fruity again. Alright, what do you have next? Oh, I see one guy, he ran off. Okay, no problem. Oh, he ran again. Oh, bam, headshot, one shot kill. Superb, one more headshot. Oh, this guy killed me. See the way Sherlock was running inside. Alright, let's go and see if we can get some kills from this mid area. Headshot. One headshot. One headshot again. Three headshots, but no luck, guys. Bam, this guy got me again. No problem, good. We have good amount of lead, so we can just stay back and snipe. I see one guy there in the tunnel. Got him. One more guy. Will he pop out? No. Okay. Oh, this Fruity guy again. Okay, he's hiding there. Let's see. Oh, someone is hitting me. Oh, he got me. Oh my god, I should have moved from there. That was a bad mistake. No problem, guys. I think we'll get them. Oh, the score is so near, so close. Oh, this guy again. Oh, okay, headshot. Killed him. And I see one more guy. Oh, I missed it. No problem. Okay, no problem. We'll go and see if we can get some kill from here. Oh, he got away. Shylock. That was Shylock. He got away. No problem. Oh, bam. Headshot. One headshot. Kill. Okay. Let's see if we can kill Fruity. Oh no, he got me. No problem. Now see, he's in a different clan now. Why PH8? No problem. I think we got this guy, this game. Let's see if we can get some more kills. I see one guy, headshot. And I see one more guy. Oh, Fruity. I'll get him. No problem. Bam, headshot. That was a good one. And what do we do here now? Who is there? I see one guy. I'm sure he must be Fruity. He's hiding somewhere. I see him. Oh, Zero. Oh, he got me. I knew he was there somewhere there. I should have, moved away from there. No problem. And we win. That's a clear victory, guys. So what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment box. That guy Fruity, is he still hacking or is he not hacking? I'm not sure because I was concentrating on the game, so I could not make out. Anyways, thanks a lot, guys, for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comment box. And guys, please do like, subscribe, share and comment. And guys, friends, I'm so sorry for my bad commentary if it was bad, because I tried it for the first time. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till then, see you in the next one. Peace out.
Hellcat.